Hello everyone, welcome to Chemazon-Complete Chemistry. In today's video, we are going to learn about these some of the concentration terms which are very important. That is percentage weight by weight. This we had already seen. We have to see now what is part per thousand, part per million or ppm, part per billion or ppp, and part per trillion or ppt. Now, why understanding these concentrations is very important is these are very dilute concentrations or solutions having very less amount of solute, and these are mostly used to measure air pollutants, that is the substances that cause air pollution, and to measure soil pollutants, that is pollutants or substances that cause soil pollution. So let us see the first one, percentage weight by weight. This is what this is. First, let us see the formula. It is mass of solute divided by mass of solution into percent. Percent means 10 raised to 2, or we can say 100. Okay, this is what this is, percent weight by weight. Okay, same goes for volume. If it is percentage volume by volume, everything remains the same. Instead of mass, we will have volume. That is, it will be volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. Okay, these two we have already seen. This is just a revision of these two concentration terms. Next is PPT. What is the symbol of this? This is percentage like this, and then you add a circle like this. This is the symbol for PPT. Now what is PPT? PPT is part per thousand. Okay, and what is the formula for part per thousand? It is mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 10 raised to 3. 1000 is 10 raised to 3. Okay, so the next concentration term, this is very important, ppm, that is part per million. Part per million. What is the formula for part per million? It is mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 10 raised to 6. This formula is correct, but when we solve numericals, what is going to be more important is the next thing that I'm going to write is 1 ppm is equal to 1 milligram in 1 liter. And how, what is 1 milligram? Milli means 10 raised to minus 3. 1 milligram means 10 raised to minus 3 grams. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. Suppose I give you a task of preparing, okay, in a lab. If I tell you to prepare 50 ppm of NaCl solution. Okay, so how do you prepare this solution? 50 ppm, 50, see 1 ppm is 1 milligram in 1 liter. So how much will be 50 ppm? 50 ppm will be 50 milligram in 1 liter. 50 milligram you will weigh. How much is this? 50 into 1 milligram is 10 raised to minus 3 gram. This will be 0.050 grams. Okay, this many grams of NaCl you will measure and you will dissolve in a volumetric flask of 1 liter. Okay, this you will dissolve it in 1 liter volumetric flask. This is what this is called a standard volumetric flask. Okay, this is mostly used for preparing standard solutions and where we need exact concentration. Standard volumetric flask. Okay, this you will dissolve it in 1 liter flask. That will give us 50 ppm NaCl solution. So this second part that I'm writing is very important for solving numericals, as well as if you want to exactly if you want to make such solutions in lab, how do you prepare these solutions? Okay, this conversion that I've given is very important that you have to memorize. Next is part per billion. What is the formula for part per billion? This is part per billion. Now what is part per billion? Part per billion formula is mass of solute divided by mass of solution into how much is 1 billion? It is 10 raised to 9. And how much is 1 ppb? 1 ppb is 1 microgram per liter. Okay, how much is 1 microgram? 10 raised to minus 6 grams. Okay, this second conversion is very, very important. You have to remember this. The last concentration term we are going to see is part per trillion. Okay, part per trillion. What is the formula for this? This will be mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 10 raised to 12. Okay, and what is ppt? 1 ppt is equal to 10 raised to, this is 1 nanogram in 1 liter. 1 nanogram in 1 liter. And how much is 1 nanogram? 1 nanogram is 10 raised to minus 9 grams. So here we come to the end of this video. I hope you have understood all the concentration terms, that is percentage, part per thousand, ppm, ppb and ppt. Thank you so much.